Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to switch Threads profile to public, and now let's dive right in. Now to switch to a public profile on Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone, and after opening your Threads app guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of the Threads. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. On this interface, tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen just beside the camera icon, and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on privacy, and you can see guys at the top of the screen currently the private profile option is enabled, which means that my profile is currently private. Now in order to switch to a public profile on Threads, tap on the toggle icon at the right side, and where it says switch to a public account, tap on OK, and then you will have switched to a public profile on Threads. And with that being said guys, this is how to switch to public profile on Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.